Do you want a cute goose like this who will entertain you for some time and thump around your monitor? That's really cute. When you click its windows, it will follow your mouse and grab it. When it grabs it, don't click or you will lose your mouse. I'm joking. So let's do it. First, open your browser and search for Desktop Goose download. Now click the first link, Samperson, and now click download. You will see here, don't panic, you don't need to pay. You can pay $1 billion, but you don't need. Just take me to downloads and click downloads. Download it, now extract it. You got the folder now, click on the folder and click Goose Desktop exe file. It will ask for a run. Okay. Oh, that's running. Now your goose is ready. It is colored white and yellow. You can play with it. Click on its head. It will grab your mouse. You can move it. Don't click it or it will grab your mouse out of your window. But you will get it soon. It's really playful. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It takes time to make this kind of video. Please. And have a good time.